Hello everyone, good morning. Hope everyone is doing good. And since the cases are increasing of the COVID-19, so everyone is taking care of themselves and their family. Today we are going to talk about the one of the deployment tool, that is the Ant, which many the companies use for the deployment purpose. So this will be in the two sessions. One, we are going to talk about the installation process, in which we will be learning the installation, how to install the Ant and make our Ant ready for the deployment in Windows. So there are the few things which we have to complete take care of before we start with the deployment process. So the first one is to install the Java JDK. Now, the for everyone who before going to the Java JDK installation, I will suggest you to please check in your system that if you have that Java JDK already installed in your system. So how to check that? Go to the command prompt, clear screen, then Java space hyphen and check version. So if your system already have the Java JDK installed, you will get this kind of a message in your command prompt. If you don't have, then I will be sharing you all these links in the description of this video. But if you also want to search it of your own, then you can do simple like Java JDK download, and then you will get the link. Just a minute. So you can get the link like this, and then you can start with the download procedure. Okay. Once you have the Java JDK available, then you need to download the Apache Ant. So this is the link for this, or you can also Google it. Okay, so if you want to Google it, then it will be like download Apache Ant for Windows, and you can land to the same page, no difference. Okay, now what we will be doing, we will be, for example, we will be downloading this thing. We will simply click on this and our download process will start. Meanwhile, it is getting download. Once it will be downloaded, we have to download our Ant migration tool for Salesforce. So what to do? So this is downloaded, and we have into our Apache Ant 1.9.15. So unzip it. We are doing the unzipping process because of we will be using this particular folder. We will be first putting this folder to some other folder, for example your some special folder in the C drive or something, where you will keep it, and you will use the locations for creating the environment variables. So let this process get complete. So meanwhile, it is the unzipping. What I have they decided is that I will be the more aggressively will upload the videos for the lightning, for the integration and other the technologies in the Salesforce, so that the people the complaint I'm getting from the people, that is I the am not uploading the videos more frequently. I get a lot of the the comments and the emails about this problem. I'm really sorry for this, because I'm the full time the developer, so it's sometimes it becomes the difficult to manage. But I for sure I will be doing this from now onwards. The weekend I will completely spare for this purpose, and will upload the videos, so that for a week you will have the sufficient the material to study. So our the Apache Ant is downloaded and it's unzipped. So now we will go for the download and migration tool for Salesforce. So same way, either you can use this URL, and from here you will get the this link. So download the zip file of winter 21. Okay, so in the same folder we have the Salesforce and we will extract this as well. Okay. Now, if you have, okay. So here we have, the one is the Ant Salesforce, the sample. So when you will see into this, let me show you. So this is, this is what we have downloaded from this Ant migration tool for Salesforce. And when we extracted it, we may have the one Ant Salesforce, this ZAR file. This we will be putting into uh, the uh, the folder in this section. Okay, I will show you how. So what I'm trying to explain you now is that we have the three things. One is the sample folder, and the and Salesforce jar file, and one is the the DP. So when you open this sample file, you have this folder code KPJ, oh sorry, PKJ, and this have the package XML file of the the classes and triggers. Another one you will get is for the objects. Okay, let me show you how it looks. Okay, so this is your the I mean your object uh, object metadata file. Okay, so these all things you will be getting. Now what you will be doing is we will be taking this one and this one into some different the location, so that we will be keep using this thing for our deployment purpose. And also before we will start with the deployment, we will be creating the variables providing these locations. Because sometimes it is also fine if you keep this folder here as well, but since it is a download one, sometimes you may by mistake delete it. So always advisable to put some at some different location. So let's do it now. Before doing this, yeah, I am answering your question. 1 minute. uh, mm, so now we don't require the browser. How many folders I have open? Okay, so answering your question, what you have to do in the my computer, just the right click of your mouse and go to properties and check the operating system, 64-bit operating system. Okay, so this is the way in which you can check your operating system of your computer. Okay, now I'm going into this, and let's say I'm going into the C folder, and I'm creating new folder that is the Ant. Uh, okay, so this folder am creating, and in this folder I will be bringing my Apache, sorry, and Salesforce Ant, Salesforce Ant. Okay, and Apache Ant. So in the same folder we have both uh, the folders, that is the one is the Ant installation, and another one is the Salesforce migration Ant migration tool in this. Now, as I told you, what I will be doing, I will be copying this file, going into the, let me show you again. I'm going into the Salesforce Ant migration, the folder which I have unzipped, and I'm copying this file, jar file, and I'm going into the Apache Ant lib, and I'm just pasting it. The file has been added. Okay, now this thing is done. I mean, we have completed these 3 steps. Now the task is for the environment creation. So let's see how we can do the environment creation now. Now, the environment creation is required because, we will be actually doing the two things here. We will be creating the system variable as well as the user variables. Okay. So we will see, the how we will be creating our environment variable. So we have the 2 types of variable. One is the user and the system. We will create both. Let's see how we can create. He's my the late grandfather attended martyrdom in year 1962. So he joined he first joined the Indian British Police as a sub inspector, and after independence he joined the 13th Kumaon Jangi Paltan as a second lieutenant, and then in the 62 war with China, he attended the martyrdom. Sorry, it's an emotional thing. So we are going to create now the variables, environment variables. So what we will do, we will go into my computer and right click and go to properties. Now advanced system settings, environment variables. Okay, So for every new variable creation, every new variable, you have to click new. Okay. So now we have the the ant variable. First we have to create ant one, and what we will do, we will go into the same folder where we have the kept our the ant I mean Apache Ant folder, and the Salesforce and migration tool folder. So going into this, then till this folder, I mean, we have to go into the folder so that we can see such options. We will copy this the location, and we will put it here. Okay. Now we have the another variable that is for Java. Okay. Now what for the Java, what we will do? We will go to in our program files, Java, Java JDK, and copy this thing. Now one more thing into the user variable and only, that is we will go into this path, and we will double click. Sorry, we will go to this path, and we will double click, and in the last I'm saying with the comma, this one. Okay, what we will do, we will add the path of our Java JDK. How? Program files, Java JDK, in this location. We will copy, and we will add here. Okay, now if you see the format, see this I have added. See here also they are using the same comma. Okay, now click OK. Now our user variables task is complete. Now it's a turn for the system variable, and the system variable, we will add three things into the path. One is the Apache Ant path, bin location, and the lib location, and the Java JDK lib file location, lib folder location. Okay, so go to this path, click this, and same way add this. So where we are going to, because we are to the Java JDK, so we can use this one. Okay, and we can click on OK. Okay, what we have done, because we were already into the Java JDK the folder, so we have added our lib Java JDK lib location. Okay, now we have the remaining two things. So for the Apache and location, Apache and, so first we will add this location, I mean the lib file location. So click on this, add, okay, and after this bin folder location. Okay, 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 okay. Now we will go into, now this is a testing time, so we will go into our CMD, and we will see if our ant is installed successfully or not. Waiting for the result. Okay, so see, we got the message that the Apache Ant version 1.9.15 compiled on May 10, 2020. Okay, so if I Apache, oh, sorry, and okay, so see, it is giving the message Apache Ant version is compiled on this, trying the default build XML build.xml build file build.xml does not exist, build failed. So if you are getting this message, then it is fine. It has been successfully installed. No worries. Okay. Now what this message is, why we are getting this message, we will see into the second video of the Ant, and then we will learn about the deployment as well. So perform all these steps. If you still have some query, do let me know. I will be helping you. But be careful. While doing the any sort of installation, and always they try to if you have some sort of the different window you are getting while adding the path, just take the screenshot, pause yourself, just take the screenshot, uh, send it over the email, or the in the comment section. I will reply you. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, and the next video I will be bringing the deployment and a few more interesting topics. So keep learning, keep sharing, and please don't forget to subscribe, share it with your the connections to the people who are willing to learn the Salesforce, and always I'm waiting for your likes and your comments. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself, your family, and have a nice day.